Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. This is the exercise for today. We convert the 2D drawing with the given information step by step into this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XZ plane, and then we create a solid part with the Extrude tool. In this drawing, you see 1/4 of the drawing. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Now, activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle with a width of 140 mm and the height of 160 mm at the origin. Let us add a chamfer to the edges. Activate the chamfer tool and select the edges and then set the parameters. Select all chamfers and then constrain them equal. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. Next, we sketch half ellipse at each side. First, sketch the construction lines. Activate the Ellipse from Center tool and sketch the ellipse at 2 points. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Now, we mirror the ellipse about the symmetry lines. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 10 mm. In step 2, we sketch the position to profile on front face and then we remove material from the created part with the Pocket tool. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle at the origin. Let us add chamfers to the corners. Set the size of the chamfers equal. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to for millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 1 millimeter to the front and rear edges. In step 3, I will show you how to import image and position it to the created part. First, go to File and then select the Import icon. Then select the image from your folder and then import it to FreeCAD. As you see, the size and the orientation of the image doesn't match to the created part. Let us edit the image. First, change the orientation of the image to XZ plane. Next, set the offset to -4 millimeters. Now, we will change the image size. Click OK to confirm. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the solid part. Download these textures from internet. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.